YouTube? It's me again. What's the This is just a little update on my sandblasting box. The bottom tub has been taken out. As you might be able to see here, I sanded and primed the back, the top, the front, and the sides. The doors are still in pieces. The hinges have been repainted. This is next scheduled to be cleaned. I will also, if you look here, I primed the back in zinc oxide primer. I did the front, nice coat of primer, and I am not doing the inside. The inside's fine. I just sprayed some primer there. There's a couple of rust spots and some underneath, but I'm not worried about it. This was all, you can see this where the rust. I want to repaint it. I might paint it in place. And if you hold on a second, I'll show you the rest of it. The bottom half of the sandblaster are the legs, which were rusty as hell. I took them all apart, sanded them down a little bit. That's the middle section that's got to go in. And where did I put the frame? Oh, I took the old frame on. I threw it in the scrap pile. You can see there's a metal square top that goes on this, and I have to make a new one because then it's finished. So I'm going to make a new frame. I have a piece of, I think it's galvanized bed frame, but I gave these a quick cleaning. I'm going to clean them off a lot better, zinc them, paint them red. I'm going to clean that off next by probably cleaning off the edges, because it seems the only thing major is the edges on the sides and the middle edges. The middle seems okay. It's a little flimsy, but it's I'm also going to weld on, I'll show you this real quick here. There is a bracket for the legs. I'm going to weld them on instead of, I could just bolt them on. There's bolt holes. But I'm thinking of welding them on just because they're flimsy as hell, those things. So I might bolt them on, but I might put them higher up because there's a hole in here to put the casters in. So I might put casters on it, but I might, instead of putting them right on the bottom, I might put them up on an inch or two so the casters kind of go hidden inward, just to drop the height down a little. So other than that, that's my little update on it. I should have these 4 legs done maybe the end of the week. That one maybe start at the end of the week. I'm hoping to get those painted and done the end of the week. That done, and I'm going to put all this, I'm going to clean those up and weld the things on and then paint them. And then hopefully I'll get this, and a new frame done all at once. Repaint it, put it here, back in place, and then I will take the rest of the sandblasting box and spray paint it while it's sitting on either on top of it, or I might wheel it outside. Because the problem is here, I'll show you.